Hey, if you want to remove all bloatware from your Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G, it's actually quite simple. So I can highly recommend you to start from your app drawer and just go with every application that you are not gonna use. So in my case, I have to just click and hold on this application, and I have to click on this trash icon to uninstall just everything one by one. And that's how I can actually quickly do this. So in my case, I'm gonna remove all of those games that I'm not using, and apps like Amazon, Booking.com. There we go. For example, I'm gonna also remove apps like Mi Home, because in my opinion it's also useless. I'm just not using this one. But there's still some apps that you cannot remove, like for example the Mi browser. So we can additionally try to open up info, and when you are here you can simply try to clear data if there's actually some things right here, so you will actually free up your space with this simple method. And another apps like the Snake Zone IO and some TikTok application, the WPS Office. So that's how we can actually do this one by one. It's actually quite simple, as you can see. But yeah, that will be all, and thanks for watching.